Brazil and Nepal.
Thank you. What I believe is religion is not a theory of God, it's a spiritual consciousness.
And we would like to extend a special welcome to our flying Blue and Sky team members.
Wheelchair in charge of economy ground, Mr. Felipe.
Cabin crew.
Una weá que es temática para todo el mundo conocer. Crucen la raja, vamos a Crucen. Copacabana, vamos a Copacabana. Y tenemos una avanzada, porque no estamos acostumbrados.
Semua bawa ke rin. My friend is making caipirinha, the Brazilian drinks. Yeah. This is Rio in the evening. And my mom is smiling. This is a special drink for us, caipirinha.
Caipirinha.
Yeah.
Já tem uns 3 dias
Tô bebendo que eu jamais bebi.
Caipirinha, caipirinha.
De uma só mulher.
I love this beach. I was here 5 years ago. सानो केही लाग्छ पछि नेपालमा भेटिन्छ सरको घरबाट कोपकाबाना देखिन्छ सुगर देखिन्छ
Uma folha qualquer desenha um navio de partida, com alguns amigos bebendo de bem com a vida. Nessa estrada não nos cabe conhecer ou ver o que irá.
Senhor, e sois o caminho que leva ao Pai. Tenho que quebrar de nós.
Redeemer. This is the Cristo. We are in the top of the Cristo. It's a newly nominated 7 Wonder from 2007. That's a football ground. That's a Lagoya. That is Ipanema. This is a Perita, Rodrigo Perita's lagoon. This is Rodrigo Perita's lagoon. The center of the city view from the east. You can see the super road. It's so hot. This area is Brazil, Rio is Ipanema. This is Lagoya. And you can see the problem near the center. Copacabana. This is Bonafogo. That's Copacabana. Copacabana. That's Sugarleaf, Bonafogo. That's Central, the longest bridge. People are taking picture with the Cristo. Yes. Mwah. Crowd of Cristo. You don't have a place to take a picture even. That's the Marina Hotel. This is Park de Independencia in Sao Paulo. This is Brazil flag monument. Park de Independence. Yeah. Let's go to Nepal and climb Kanchenjunga, Makalu, Annapurna, Dhablagiri, and Pakistan, Nanga Parbat and Ketu. And mountain means mountain, mountain snows, mountain, and we are mountain brothers. Hurrah!
Nepal, I would like to know the people and the place and the friends like you, and thank you, for the people. I love you, and the strong people. Nepal, Brazil and Nepal.
Thank you. Thank you. Iguazu Fall, new seven wonder in one of the seven wonders of the old. This is the entrance gate. Iguazu Fall, Brazilian Iguazu side, Iguazu Fall. This is the entry point. Here is the swimming pool. This is the Park National do Iguazu. Falling here, this is the view, and this is the town.
From their natural sites and do not litter. Be responsible.
This is the river Urubi, and we are in the Brazil side. That is Argentina and this is Brazil. Falls like between the lake.
I'm here with Matura, the loving mother of my best friend, and they just arrived in Florianópolis. And we're gonna spend some beautiful days here. My friend Noel that is filming us. I've not seen him about 5 years. Then we went to the Peru, and now here we can see Lagoa da Conceição, Praia Mole over there, Praia da Joaquina,
Praia
da Joaquina, and then Campeche, Ilha do Campeche. It's a beautiful view from
how you say in the short name? Floripa.
Floripa.
A beautiful Floripa. That's the beautiful way. They put the ladder one. They put like this. You can do like that in Nepal also. And look the hill. And the sun. Oh, I thought that west is there, but east is there. I always confused.
Okay.
Really? Wow. This is the, like, you see, salt dunes. Beautiful. It's a 70 dudes. And the lily dog and the Bruno Conde and my mother. Beautiful. This is the dunes. We are walking. We are walking here. Yeah, my mom is walking. Dunos the Praia da Joaquina in Floripa. My mom is going with the kids. Lily restaurant. Ready? Yeah.
South Africa.
Yeah. That's my dream. Look, Mitimale. Hello. Look, Atlantic soil, Atlantic soil. Atlantic. And Bruno brought me here. All the credit goes to him. And this is the hill. This is very beautiful. I will never been here if Bruno was not there. Beautiful. This is a wave of Atlantic. Florida. It's Brazil guy crossed the Atlantic to South Africa, Cape Town. Thank you very much, Syria, Sri Satya Saran and Leader Saran Thor. Thank you very much to brought me here, and thank you Bruno Conde, thank you my brother. I am with a very good people. Well, I'm very surprised that I know about Guru Nanak. When I was a very child, there were a David. I read in morality. There were 4 people. One is Bengali, one is Indian who speak Hindi, one is English man who speak English, and another is who speaks Sanskriti. They went to the shopkeeper's shop and they pointed the grapes, and the shopkeeper was Hindi. He only understand Angur, and they shake the head. Well, the thing is only one. We have a different religion. We have a different caste system, tribe system, but the thing is same. We all are human. In Nepal, the time I was, it was untouchable caste. I born in Brahmin family. My father was very strict man. He does not allow me to talk to people like that. But slowly I learned. And I left my home when I was 13 years old without no money, no money. I walked all the way 45 kilometers. I took a bus to India border, and all the way. That time I was very much inspired by Gautam Buddha, Siddhartha Gautam Buddha, because so I never eat meat and never think like that. I never eat meat, and I've been to Sarnath, then the Varanasi. Maybe you know very well all about India. Then I've been to Allahabad. They say Kumbh Mela. He knows about Kumbh Mela. Prague, Daragas. I've been to Sankaracharya temple. I was very fascinated with the Vedantic philosophy. I like Guru Nanak because his philosophy that time in the 15th century was very beautiful. That time you can imagine how in Nepal and India the Hindu religion is very hard. The class system that makes people suffering. The higher class from Raja to rank. Raja means king and rank means very poor people. Raja to rank, and his philosophy is we all are one. We all are same people. The only way to God is you have to create the image and follow. Follow your truth. For me, what I understand is truth is God and God is love. The family we have, that all merely attachment. How I feel about you, how I feel about you. We must have the same feelings. It's a humanity. That's what I learned. And then slowly I traveled. I met very beautiful people. Some people are so beautiful, you cannot imagine. For example, what happened? I was traveling in a bus. I requested the conductor in the bus. I didn't have a money, but I want to go there. The man, and when I get up, when I reach into the destination, I thank to the conductor. Thank you for welcoming. No, it's not me. Do you remember the man behind you? He paid your ticket. What? He never say me anything. Then I understand what is help. For me, help is you have to do the people without knowing. Never tell them. Then I knew that is called help, assistance, like you serve the humanity. Well, I have traveled all around the world and I came to here. I feel very nice. I'm very a shy man, very nervous man. I have first time I speak in the audience like you. Thank you for giving me strength and power and all that. I talk to you later. Thank you very much. Thank you. No even much thing about, but it's very beautiful to learn about humanity. But what I believe is religion is not a theory of God. It's a spiritual consciousness. For me, I am a person of deism. I believe in a God without believing any particular religion. For me, Christian, Hindu, Buddhist, all are same people. We all need to know the good things, to serve the humanity, to go the same way, to be truthful. I think only from truth you can clear the image and you can go to the way to the God. There is a way, and that is the way. Suppose the Guru Nanak saw the way, the Buddha saw the way, the different way. That is the way. You have one media. If you want to drink the water, you need a glass. That's the media. Same like you. And very nice to be here, and thank you very much.
Noel and Matura here to the Lagoa do Peri. It's Peri Lake. It's where the Antoine de Saint-Exupéry, who wrote the Little Prince. Okay. You know the Little Prince book? Yeah. He passed with his plane over there.
And the Bruno Conde and my mother. My mother and me in the Lake Perry with Bruno Conde, my best Brazilian friend, the spiritual friend, the philosopher, and it's like a Rara Lake. In Nepal, I remember my Rara Lake. You remember the largest lake in Rara? It's like, but it has a boost. We have mountains, and it's same like that. But it's deep, but it's not deep.
In the morning, it was a morning, now it
not swim.
Yeah.
Huh? Crazy man. Support crazy man.
How about the water?
How
It's
about
good.
the water?
The water is sweet. This is the food. After swimming, we eat it. And this is my cake, sandwich, fruits, and the coffee. And this is the Brazilian restaurant. This house with the tree, I like it. I want to make a tree and the house like this in the hill of my village.
In the ocean side, in the water, you're gonna change everything.
Come on. Take a swimming.
We see this is Atlantic. Yeah? This is Atlantic. The green Atlantic. Florida, Central Town, and this is the area of harbor and the building. Very cool. And this is you. I'm looking like Florida. This means soybean, Florida, soybean, Florida. The seagulls are there, the birds, the crow. The which birds are there? Bruno, my friend, this is the last of the Florida, and I don't know how we look after 3 years. Now we are very young. Guys around here, I have a short here, and next time you're gonna be the sand. Okay. We promise him like we not promise what we say in Florida. Okay, how we gonna do or not? Let's see what destiny is awaiting for us.
Yeah.
What destiny is awaiting for us.
Okay.
We don't know. Maybe
Okay.
I die, you die, or maybe the heart. Big hug. Noel. Yeah. We are going to stadium.
Stadium.
We have a beautiful way. And the stadium very good. The way is very good and the weather is very nice. They are firing the crabs. There is a game in the stadium and they're firing the crabs. SC International, and this is the club and this is the stadium.
It's more for the good taste, not for health. We drink to taste, only to taste, only because we like, not to health. Coca from Bolivia. When I breathe, I put in the water.
The sunset in Porto Alegre. Natalicio is a woman, and this restaurant owner has fallen in love with Natalicio. He came from northeast of Brazil and fell in love with a woman in Porto Alegre, and he has a beautiful restaurant for the people. Yeah, you see, and this is the place bonus people. Thank you, Noel. Thank you, Annie. This is Nepali soup. The guy who from North Brazil fell in love. This restaurant here is so crowded, even in Tuesday. This is a Tuesday here. It's a very decent place. I spend 90% in my journey, but 10% for my family, my people, and my clique, and my club. But 90% for my traveling. To the place, and this is because of Christmas.
Ninguém foi tão melhor. Como é que eu vou esquecer você? Meu desejo parecia e alma fria.